In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise a bug in Jira. Whether you're new to using Jira or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process of creating a detailed and effective bug report. Let's dive in and make sure your team can resolve issues seamlessly. To get started, open up your Jira project. This is the central hub where you'll report the bug and manage all project-related tasks. Once you're on your project page, look for the Create button. It's prominently displayed so it's easy to find and serves as your starting point for logging a new issue. When you're ready to proceed, you need to specify that the issue you're creating is a bug. In Jira, the issue type field helps categorize your report. By selecting Bug, you're enabling your team to prioritize these problems and tackle them with the appropriate workflow. Now that the basic setup is taken care of, let's move on to filling in the essential details of the bug. Start with a concise summary. Think of this as a headline that quickly conveys the essence of the problem. For instance, you might use a summary like, "User cannot submit a form on the checkout page." This statement should be clear and direct, as it's one of the first things your team members will see. Next up, you'll need to provide a detailed description of the bug, including the precise steps needed to reproduce it. This section is critical and should be as thorough as possible. Accurate reproducibility can significantly aid developers in diagnosing and fixing the bug efficiently. Don't forget about additional fields that warrant your attention. Whenever possible, it's immensely helpful to include attachments. Screenshots, logs, or any other relevant files might provide additional clarity and save time in understanding the issue. These visual aids and logs can supplement your descriptions and reveal insights that words alone may not capture fully. After documenting the details, assign the bug to the appropriate developer. This step ensures accountability and streamlines the resolution process. Also, remember to add relevant labels or tags to your report. Tags like checkout, payment, or UI bug serve as handy categorizations for future searches or filters. Upon creation, your bug report will appear in the project's backlog or board. As development progresses, you'll notice the status shift from to do to in progress, and then finally to done. Tracking this status is essential to monitor the bug's resolution journey. Lastly, take advantage of the comments section. This space is perfect for adding updates, providing new details as needed, or even asking for more information if the bug's context changes. By following these steps closely, you'll be able to create comprehensive and clear bug reports in Jira, empowering your team to manage and resolve issues effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy bug reporting!